Hello everyone. I cannot talk that much because my throat feels very sore today. But today's video, I'm going to show you something of Lego. You hear that? That's the bendy part. Bendy part. As you see, is a hunchback. Yeah. And I put these two. If you guys know what is this thing, then you must know what is this thing. This is dog from Half-Life 2 or Half-Life Alyx. Alyx. Yeah, Half-Life Alyx. Oh yeah, he's a very cool character. He only had one eye. He had these flappy things. I make this from memory. I will show you the video now. We're in the YouTube. Shout out to the Nika trolls. I don't know, but shout out to him. But yeah, we're going to see what dogs look like, or dog versus Rider Remaster from Half-Life Alyx. Let's see this. I had no idea what's that.
A dropship. That must have been the crash we heard.
Yeah,
White Forest sentries are doing their job.
yeah. And then something happened.
Hell,
A Strider. Look at that Strider.
dog?
Yeah, there's dog right there. Look at that. Ooh. I'm going to remaster the build because I use it on memory. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, try to open the shell. Yeah.
Yeah.
And remove some organs or some metal parts.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Dog, are you all right?
Yeah, that's dog.
Wake up, dog. Please. You're all right.
Oh, that's cute.
You had me worried there. Everything working all right?
Well, there's dog. He's like a gorilla type, but he's named Dog for some reason.
Down there!
We're fine.
Dog, okay!
Better now.
We've been waiting
look
for
at
you. Just follow the stream, then head up the other side. White Forest is right there. You can't miss it.
All right. Thanks. Okay, let's go. Come on, Gordon. Get the...
Well, there's dog. I rebuilt it again. But yeah, look at that. I use these type of parts and using these, what are they called? Yeah. Overall, this is my favorite thing. This is my favorite creation of all time. All time. Yeah. Fist bump.